That nigga mega tip.
A-Salam. Motherfuckers blowing all this smoke.
Arise, ye kings and queens, inherit the earth as the meek. It's mean times, meanwhile, I wonder if Martin Luther King kept a peace. Sometimes I don't know if my feet on solid land. It's fast times, even quicker sand. A bunch of thieves stashed under autumn leaves. Get the rake, you crop dusters, dad cost my cousins. Pop up and get harvested under a rotten muffler. Coughing all that bad exhaust, I gotta plug ya. Law of retaliation been laying latent, but lately shit been springing up among us. Need a break, resorting to caravan in cases of AKs and torches. No more sorting over portions of horse shit. Get down on bended knee, refer to me as your lordship. We royalty on big Steve. Papa's trying to strong on me, but they grip weak pip squeaks. Integration only gave us a small piece of the pie. I guarantee Karen ain't the only American scared to look in my eye. Staring at a black formless figure, she probably wake up bitter, feel a drizzle, start calling storm clouds nigga. Down 911 and say she the victim. Talking about go back to your own country, bitch. I'm from the GOAT. We gon' make it fine. Grandparents asking who gon' be the next Jesse Jackson at Watch Stacks yelling nation time. Inspired by post a 9-year-old black Einsteins. Chop the hands off of all of you Epsteins. You not raping mine. Educate the girls, the whole village foolhardy to protect the sons. What must be done? I'm on the edge of anarchy. Survival by any measure, no foo shit. On some 92 Losh move, old school foo shit.